Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to scale proportionally in InDesign. So let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software. Now go to the file menu and go to the place. Now select go go to your image location and select this image and click open, and now drag and place this image, then resize this image. You can move easily. Now you can see scale proportionally in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.